I'll just introduce myself. My name is Dheeraj and I'll be giving you training. Training will be for 2 days. Today and one more day we will decide as per your schedule. So the training will be on Logikal. This is the latest version 11.4. Soon we will be releasing version 12 also. So that will be much more comfortable version. It will be like Microsoft Word. So it's on progress. So we will release it soon. So as soon as we open this Logikal software, we see this is the very first page. Okay. So as soon as this page opens, we see there are various tabs at the bottom. Home, project management, fabrication unit. Home, there are various tabs where you can start your project. You can view project. You can view your CAD, all the features, all you will find. I'll explain you one by one what it is. In project management, you can find all your projects which you have made. So you don't have to save anything manually. Everything gets automatic saved. Okay, wherever you have left your project, you can find it from there. You don't need to save anything manually. Fabrication unit. Fabrication unit is, for example, if you want to do optimization or you want to do cutting list or anything, fabrication details you want for like more than one project, you can get it in fabrication. So for example, let's say with there are many phases in one project and you make different phases and different phases come in different time period. So but you want one full project, you want to view the optimization and everything, you can do it in fabrication unit. It becomes very easy and systematic. So let's start with the home. You see there are various tabs, right? The very first tab is new project. We will click on it. We'll add some details and we can start the project, start making the typology. The next one is open project, where you can find all your projects which are listed, which you have already made. Okay. Next feature is CAD. In this CAD, it is very easy to export or import the files directly from Logikal to AutoCAD or from AutoCAD to Logikal. It becomes very easy. So like for example, if you have made one typology, you can make cross section, directly export to your AutoCAD and you can start making, you can put some wall connection detail and you can start with your fabrication drawings, like shop drawings and all. Then important feature is preliminary structural design. You can also get structural calculations in this software. All you need to do is just put some wind load and all what consultant is already approved and then you can generate the structural report. Then there is an update section. So the database is what you have taken, or for Logikal also, if there is any update, there will be an automatic pop-up coming on your screen. If there are some updates available, you can directly update them and it will be available in your Logikal software. Then after this training, there might be some issues what you will face. So in that case, we have remote support. So all you need to do is just contact me. My name is Dheeraj, as I have introduced myself. So you will be having my number. You can note down my number. My number is 056 410 5885. My name is Dheeraj, Dheeraj. Yes. So after the training, it is very but obvious that there will be some places where you will be stuck. So in that case, you can give me a call. All I will ask you is the team viewer ID password so that I can get remote control of the remote support control of your PC, your system. So it will generate an ID password automatically. Just give me that and then finish. Okay. Okay. So I will start from very scratch. I understand like many of you have already worked on Logikal. Still, I will take it from very basic so that I can cover topic by topic. Okay. So I will start with I clicked on new project tab. This is the very first pop-up. It says create new project. Now the very first thing you see is directory. Now what is directory? Directory is like folder. You make, right, 2022 project, 2021 project, September, October, or like villa projects, residential project, commercial project. You make various tabs so that it becomes very easy to find the project. So how to make a directory? Just click here. You see there is one folder over here. Follow my mouse. Right? You see, just click here and we can make a directory. So let me just type, let's say Now you see the directory is fast. So the project which I will make under fast, all I need to do is select fast as my directory. Let's say I will put my project name. My project name is, let's say, training. Now comes the quotation number and job number. So whenever we give the quotation report, so there is a number for quotation, what quotation number we are keeping. So we can type the number. If we don't want to type the number, Logikal can give you a separate number also. It's always every time you make a project, there will be a unique number which will be coming. Now next comes the address of the client. For that, you can go to address database and you can make any company, or you can, if you want to add another database, you can just simply click on add and you can put all these details. So once you put all these details, it will appear like this. Okay, like this 1, 2 we already have for the training. So let's say we click on this for the training as of now and just press OK. As soon as we press OK, we enter the project. Now this is the area where we make a project. Okay. We see there are various tabs over here, loads of options, right? And this is the very first pop-up which will come when you enter the project. Now this pop-up is nothing but for structural analysis. Okay. So if you want to do structural analysis right now, you can put on the values and you can start with it. But as of now for the training, we will not keep this. We will keep this as a different chapter. We will cover it later on. So all we need to do is just check this box, no structural analysis, and directly press on close, so that it doesn't appear again and again. Okay. Now we see over here in the left hand side, we have loads of options in estimation, fabrication, then there is order, quotations. So these are the reports, various type of reports, like estimation report, structural design, material analysis, right? Estimation overview is the summary of the entire estimation if it is a big project. U-value report, position drawings. In fabrication, some important like assembly list, cutting optimization. If there is shaped glass, there is glass assignment, assembly list, very important. Then in ordering, we have glass and panel separate order. We have material ordering also, right? There is V7 over here, you see. V7 is nothing but we have very old clients. They are using Logikal since a long time. So this V7 is version 7. So version 7 reporting, they are very comfortable with version 7. So that's why we keep V7 as an option still. But I will remove this for you as of now. Now next comes your quotation. So you can make quotation, and all these reports you can generate just by making your positions. So as soon as you make your position, you can put some prices of aluminium, what is the kg price, and then you can generate any report you want. Okay. So let me just remove this V7 for you. Just give me 1 minute. So now reporting option done. Now you see at the top you have various options like job, this nothing but you can put your articles over here, your project preferences. Next come your program, the programs which are included, you can do 2D optimization in this, which is your ACP and glass optimization. If you want to do, you can do here. Then comes your user database. So you as a user, you can add your own separate database. You can make your own database for local supplier and everything. How you will do it, I will tell you. Then comes your system database. So the systems what you have taken, all the system database will be here entirely, completely. Okay. Then these are some basic settings. I'll do some settings also. So done. Okay. So done. Okay. Class. Now just by clicking on this new position, we can start making our project. So I'll click on this new position. You see the position number comes position P001. We can change this if we want, but let's say P001. Brief description, I will start with a simple window. So I will write, let's say window. Sorry. Model description I can give, let's say living area. Okay. Quantity we can keep 1, 2, 3, how much ever as per the project. After this, directly come to system. You see the system, follow my mouse. So in the system we can select, let's say I'm choosing Gulf 45 hinged. So I'll just type 45. You see 45 hinge system. I'll double click on this, and once I've selected the system, I'll press OK. As soon as we press OK, we see it is asking us how many number of fields in width and how many number of fields in height. Because I'm making one window, it will be 1 by 1. Now this is 1 by 1. Okay, one frame. Get it? So let's say now this is the width in mm. Let's say 1 meter, which is 1000 mm by 1000 mm.
So if we have top 6,
yeah,
it will be 2
top fix, then it will be 1 by 2.
2 width, 2 height.
Yeah, so it will be 1 by 2. So 1 in width and 2 in height. Correct. That's how it is. So I have put my dimensions. Now you see over here it is giving me separate option, like follow my mouse. You see my mouse? It's grid, element, articles, glazing, hardware, etc. and then finish. So grid is nothing but body. So you are designing the body, right? So your body, like how much you want, 1 by 2, 2 by 2, what is this, everything will be in body, how much is the dimension and everything. Next comes the element. So you see grid is done. You see the next button over here, all you need to just press next. You get into element. Element is nothing but typology, side hung, bottom hung, what do you want, you will select the typology.
We can add our general digital position as a database.
Yeah, you can.
Make a separate
Yes. So once you have made your positions, see, you make 2-3 full project, you never have to make that project ever again. You can simply import, change dimension, finish. That's all. So all you need to do is just import from other. You can make your library also. Okay. So let's say this is the one. Now I make, if I want to know what the typology is, just keep my mouse at the typology. See, it will show. Now it is saying this is top hung, window open out. Okay. This one, see, bottom hung, open out, hinged towards left hand side.